How's it going, everybody? It's May 12th. This is Merch by Amazon sales update. These updates are actually getting interesting, not for me, but for you guys. That's the feedback that I'm getting because whenever there's a spike in sales, it's actually kind of, exciting to see what's going to happen next. If it's going to continue, if there's going to be like a pretty aggressive drop off in sales because that's happened before. But as long as the sales are going up, or at least they're staying up compared to the previous month, it's actually fun. It's fun to watch. Uh, I agree with that. I actually think that's pretty amazing. But I think as a kind of like a community, we shouldn't shy away from bad days and bad months because they're as equally important, I guess, just to learn from them and to get used to them, because a lot of people get discouraged when they have a few bad days or a few bad months. So anyways, this is fun, but I just wanted to throw that out there because I don't want anyone to think that it's only fun to do merch when things are going well. But now that I've said all that, let's actually talk about all the positive things. So yesterday was actually another great day. That's why I'm doing this. So because of yesterday and then the monthly totals. Uh, I'm recording this around noon on the 12th, and I already have 6 sales, which is great, and 5 of those are in the U.S. So the U.S. market has actually completely changed this month compared to the last month, and as you can see here, I'm already sitting at 105 sales for this month, which is $1,951 in sales for total royalties of 343. So that's actually awesome. And royalties per sale are over $3, which to me is amazing. This month so far, 142. Again, amazing because I have a sale, at least a sale, and some double digits in some of the other marketplaces. So overall, it's adding up. And like I said, we're only 11 days in. I understand this is the 12th, but I'm just talking about the first 11 days because it's so early uh, in the day today that I'm expecting more sales to come in. I actually did a comparison. This is, like I said, this month, and this is the exact period last month. So I'm about uh, 35 sales, let's say, rough, quick math, ahead of the last month. And this is the interesting comparison here. This month so far, 105 sales in the US and total sales 106 last month for the same time period, which means that when US sales kick in and they actually start performing, everything changes. The whole momentum, the whole uh, profit. I don't want to say profit margin, but like total profits, just the whole field, because that marketplace is so much, at least for me, bigger because of the number of products that I have in the US, and then also because of my designs. So far it looks great. Uh, the monthly chart here that we're going to look at in a second when this downloads, it's already looking great because, like I said, we're 11 days in, and I'm already kind of hitting the numbers total numbers for the month of January. So that is great. And I honestly, I'm just waiting for that curve, like curl up. I want it to start spiking, because the last thing that I would want is for this to be the year high, and then for the numbers to drop and keep going lower and lower. So if this month cracks 200 or goes over 203, then that'll be amazing, just for that kind of like psychological or motivational thing where this month is now finally beating all the months for the last, I guess, 6 or 7 months, which will be great. So if things continue the way they're going right now, it looks like I'm definitely going to crack 300, might be even more, 350, 400 sales total. But if I get anywhere close to 250, if it continues like this in the US, that will be great. So again, this is looking like it's going to be another at least $1,000 in royalties month. It looks like it's going to be five, six, $7,000 in sales, which again is amazing. Still not running any ads. Somebody asked me in the comments if I'm still sticking to getting the max up. I actually haven't done that since I changed the strategy with my designs. I get pretty close, but I'm definitely not concentrating on actually maxing out, because what I'm concentrating on is getting those designs that I want up, and I'll spend a little more time on the descriptions and bullet points. But when it comes to the numbers, I'm not concentrating. Like I said, hitting the 2400. If I hit 2000, if I hit 1500, I'm still extremely happy. Okay, I'm gonna leave it here. Let me know how you guys are doing. Like I said, I'm always happy to do these videos, and like I said, it feels good when things are going well. So thank you, and I'll talk to you guys soon.